This is Lab 2, Planetary Motion. You access my website for planetary motion, and then you're going to scroll a little bit down, actually past the first image, and here it is. You see that here are the images accessible. I scroll a little bit up. There we go. Don't take the very last one and take the first 5 here and then take the next 4 here. After that, it's just going to would be a little bit too tough. So the first 9 images, copy this diagram here, which is the constellation Sagittarius with the teaspoon and a teapot. So I'm going to do that now. And go over to a paint program. So here is where I'm going to paste this. There it is. Okay. Kind of remember where the teapot is and where the teaspoon is. I'm just going to give a couple of examples. So let's access the images on my website. So here I'm going to click on the first link, and it opens the first 5 pictures. Here's when they were taken. Actually, it says right next to the photo. May 13th, 1996, June 10th, 1996. From probably another lab, you'll find out that Jupiter is in Sagittarius again in 2008. If you take this class in 2008, well, it has an orbit that lasts almost 12 years, so it makes sense, 96, 2008. In any case, you're going to look at each of these photos. So here's the teapot, handle, spout, tip, and the body. Here's the teaspoon, of course the bright one, that is Jupiter. And notice these 3 stars here, keep those in mind. There is Jupiter. Going to go to the next picture, and as I said, we're only going to do 2. So here, there's the teapot, the handle, the spout, the tip. There's Jupiter. Now notice that it moved, makes it kind of like neat little triangle with these 2 stars here, which it didn't make a month before. Notice that I took this first photo on May 13th, the second one on June 10th. So keep those positions in mind. Let's go back to the paint program. So here we're gonna put these 2 Jupiter positions in. Here are these 3 stars. Actually, this was a double star. So 1, 2, 3, and Jupiter was about here. That was May 13th. And then Jupiter made kind of a nice triangle with these 2 stars, and Jupiter was about here. What helps us is the ecliptic, meaning that Jupiter is going to stay really close to this line here. Not exactly on it, but really close. If you come up with a Jupiter position up here, you know that you would have made a mistake. Preferably put on the dates, so May 13th and June 10th. If you can't, that's alright. And that's should be a good introduction for this lab.